Eli Very to remote, inaccessible locations has long been plagued by inefficiency and risk, until now. Introducing the M150 transport drone, a revolutionary aerial solution engineered to conquer logistical barriers and redefine what's possible. Crafted for versatility, the M150 combines a lightweight pure-carbon quick-release transport case with a foldable. Its rugged build withstands extreme environments, from blistering heat to freezing altitudes, while its dual smart hot-swappable batteries ensure seamless, cost-effective operation. Deploy with one battery or swap effortlessly for non-stop missions. With a 70 kg max payload and a redundant 8-motor propulsion system, centimeter-level RTK positioning navigating complex terrain with unmatched accuracy. Control transcends boundaries. Two pilots across two locations can relay command mid-flight via 5-km range controls, while dual camera systems provide unparalleled oversight. The M150 adapts to your mission. Deploy its cargo case for secure deliveries. Connect fire hoses for aerial firefighting, equipped with a 23 kg fire extinguishing bomb, or integrate pumps for industrial cleaning. Its dual phased array radars and vision systems provide 360 degrees obstacle detection, day or night. M150 isn't just a drone, it's a new era of airborne logistics. Cross mountains, rivers, and borders.